What's up, peoples? Welcome back to 828 Style. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. A winner of their very own custom. A winner from the Bart Simpson video contest. And the winner is Quentin Arios. I hope I said that name right. Quentin Arios. Out there in Honolulu town. Congratulations, Quentin, on winning your very own custom. And y'all, I contacted him. I talked to him already. Well, I texted him. He couldn't talk. He was going through, he had a surgery. So I wanted to put him on the video, but I can't do that. But when he gets better, when he receives it, I will see if he will send me a video with the shoes that was done for him. Let y'all know. Hey, I wasn't playing no game. I wasn't doing it just to get no likes or subscribers. I was doing it because I really appreciate you guys. I really do. It means something to me. This video right here, a restoration video. We're gonna restore this Air Force One mid. We're gonna try to clean it up as good as we can. And we're gonna try to make it look as new as we can. You'll see. You'll see. But I still be doing my style. And we're gonna see what it looks like, baby. So right here, we're gonna clean them up the best we can. I use Dawn dish detergent and water. Scrub, 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 baby. Now that we got them all clean, the sole's still a little bit, dingy. So we're gonna use some 50 volume cream that you get from your local beauty salon. And just paint it on there like paint. And let the magic work. Now I take the Reynolds wrap and wrap it around the sole. Then go sit it in the sun and let the sun do the magic. And after about an hour, you'll see it bleached it. Almost as white as it came when it was brand new. Now I'm gonna stuff it with some paper, towels, shirt, rag, whatever. Give me a wet rag and iron the creases out as much as I could, as good as I can. Now it's time to prep. You know what this is. Now as far as stencils go, y'all know I'm a Steelers fan, so guess what logo going on here? That's right, Pittsburgh Steelers. So I'm gonna put my base, the logo, I wanna keep it white. So I'm gonna lay it first. taped up everything I didn't want to get painted on to keep the color I got it. So I wanted that swoosh to stay yellow, so I taped it up. I wanted the back tab to stay yellow, so I taped it up. Now I'm gonna pull out this vinyl for my base coat so I can get ready to start painting the logo. When I do a pair of black shoes, I'll take over the sock liner because I know I can go back over it with the black what I missed on the shoe. That way I can get the sock liner as crisp as possible. So now I'm gonna lay the logo in. If I can get it right, get it centered as straight as I can. And I'm gonna do each color separately. A lot of people print more than one logo so they can just keep replacing once they color one color. But I say vinyl. I'm a cheap old school dude. I say vinyl, and I will pull mine off separately. And sometimes and most times, once I color the color I want, paint it the color I want, I put it back over top of it after it dries to cover it up, and then go on to the next one. As you can see here, instead of putting the stars back on, I just went ahead and put some tape across it. Here we go. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Simple as that. Once again, wash, rinse, and repeat. And there you have it. Steelers logo. Here we go, baby. This one is just one color, so I'm gonna paint it all black. this, the last thing I have to do is the sock liner. But I won't put it on this video.